Okay, so today we will that how to install IntelliJ area to code in Kotlin. Okay, so I will search IntelliJ area and here, if you're using Bing, it will show you this type of else it would show you a Chrome this type of. So on Bing, type of page, press area. Okay, so download button, and it would show you a page like this, and the download is started. So I already have it, so I will just cancel it out. And when it have downloaded, you would click on it. And when you would click on it, I can also, yeah, over here you would see a page like this. Let me install it. Okay, okay. Now, you can run this now. When I will click on it, it would wait for a second. It's running. Yep, so you would see like this. You can press run or find installer. It has opened too much. Need all this. One. It has opened too much. I can't close them until they are opened. But all these are closed. I would also. Yep. I just need this one. It's so much time, so that's why I don't want to. Yeah, so here's just one installer. And what? Why doesn't it open? Let me open it again. Oops. Let me do next. After that, what I can do is I can do next, and after that, I would just click install. You can press show details, and it would be installing as you watch. It's opening. Is all this. Didn't want too much. Do all these Yep, now it would keep installing. It's installing. You can also select all the checkboxes which would come in the way while installing. Watching installing. Just been it's 45% done. It's just going to be completed. It's just done. You can close all of it. Is okay. It's just loading. I think it's done now. It's just going to be done. It's just done. Okay, after that, when it's completed, you can select one IntelliJ idea and press finish. Okay, so then it would show you like this, a page like this. Okay, you can select all this. You can watch everything. What's the name? Available access. I have also installed Visual Studio Code, so it's asking if you want to install, like, you want to import anything. I am also importing the theme and Keynote. You can also show all plugins, recent projects. I will leave it. Import settings. So I want to be importing the settings. It's just okay. What I can do is just download it. It's just done. Okay, so it's done now. It's just opening. Okay, it's just opening now. Okay, you can do anything. Select from here, or I don't need any lessons, and I would exit it. You can now run it and do whatever you want with the IntelliJ idea, and I don't need it now. So, okay, so that's all for today. Bye.